Hey guys, so this is Candace with Fairwinds RV, and I just wanted to come on today to share a pretty short video on some things that I've learned over the last year and a half using our RV combo washer and dryer. These tips should work whether you have the combo or you have the separate washer and dryer. So let's get started. All right, so my first tip is, as we all know, our closet space can be pretty tight. Well, that's where our washer is. Some of you might have it in your master bathroom or your half bath. So wherever your washer and dryer is, space is at a premium. You might not have or want to have room for a hamper. So what I do is I use the washing machine as our hamper. When it gets full, I run it. So, you know, it seems to work. We don't have clothes piled up on the floor. I don't have a separate hamper. We just throw it all in the washer. When it gets full, then you know that it's time to do a load of laundry. All right, so I've got my full load ready to go. We've got about 3/4 of the washer full. You don't want to overload it too much. So as you know, these RV washing machines are smaller capacity than what you're used to in your sticks and bricks home, which also means that not only can they not fit as many clothes, you don't need as much laundry soap and fabric softener. So my instructions say to use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of each. They go up here in this little pull-out drawer. And the biggest tip that I've found to reduce the mess and just to make sure you're not underusing or overusing either one is to purchase these. They're about $3 at Walmart. I like them because they're clear. I previously had another set that they were really cute and pretty, and you know, they looked really nice in the closet, but I couldn't see the level, and so I was constantly overfilling them and wasting laundry soap. So I bought these clear ones. Plus I like this pump a little bit better. It just seems to not clog up. It pumps really nicely. So this is my laundry soap. And I found that, so I previously took a tablespoon and I pumped and I counted. So mine takes about 8 pumps to equal a tablespoon. And so that's what I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the laundry soap. Fabric softener I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. No mess. Now I'm done. I can turn it on. I'm going to wash this load on regular. Push the button for a couple seconds. We should be good to go. All right, so my final tip has to do with reducing the wrinkles and reducing your drying time. So a lot of times these dryers take much longer than the one in your sticks and bricks house. Ours happens to be vented, which helps. The non-vented ones take much longer. So what I do is I take all of the clothes out, throw them on my bed, and then I lightly fold them before putting them back in the dryer. So a lot of stuff I just don't dry. This is a shirt that I'm not going to dry. So here's a hand towel. I'm just going to lay it out flat. Long sleeve shirts, just kind of shake it out. Lay it out. Not going to dry this one, it's a sweater. Not going to dry that one, it's a sweater. It's a pair of my jeans. I'm going to shake them out, kind of fold them, just place them down. One of Jeremy's t-shirts, just kind of fold it in half. Another one of my shirts, I don't dry. All right, so underwear and socks, washcloths, I just typically throw them back in here. All right, so once you've got your pile, just going to take it, place it inside your dryer, close it up, go ahead and get it started. I'm going to set this for about an hour and a half, let it go, and when it comes out, everything should be fully dry and mostly wrinkle-free. The clothes that I don't throw in the dryer, I just shake out and then I hang them right here in this space. It's typically I leave it open so we can get into the dryer without having to move all my clothes out of the way. But I just hang them here. They're typically dry within a couple of hours, and then I just hang them or fold them if they're sweaters and put them up on the shelf. So just as a wrap up of what I have discussed, so your washing machine makes a really good hamper. Fill it up when it's full, run your load. These $3 and change soap dispensers from Walmart are great. You can buy the fancier ones. I just do recommend that you get the clear ones so you can see exactly how full and how empty they are. Make sure to measure your pump to find out how much equals a tablespoon so you're putting the right amount in. And finally, always make sure that even if you have a separate unit, pull your clothes out, shake them really well, lay them out and kind of gently fold them and place them back in. I don't know why it works, but it reduces the drying time and it reduces the wrinkles. All right, so I hope you found this video to be helpful. If so, or if you have any questions, comments, anything that I didn't mention that you want to add, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. There might be products that I don't know about or other ways that you found that are even more efficient. Definitely let us know. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you later. Thanks. Bye.